Yo guys, I wanted to show you this car that I just picked up. We drove all the way down to Portland. Got this 2003 Mazda Protege, Mazdaspeed. From my understanding, there is not a lot of these made. I think only like 5,000. And after 20 years of being on the streets and the roads, I'm sure there's half of them left, if not less. So I'm pretty stoked. This is a nice car, super clean. The owner was super nice, took care of it. It was his baby, had it for 6 years. So it's beautiful. Let me show you inside. I think it's gonna be a collectible. Quick. Get the Mazdaspeed. Cool interior. Mazdaspeed. Very nice, beautiful. It's lowered coilovers, adjustable. We got the fancy rotors. Came with spare set of wheels, the original wheels this car's supposed to come with, and keys. It's nice, beautiful. Super good shape. I think like 95,000 miles. I like the wing too. Nice. So I checked Craigslist, basically the whole West Coast. Didn't find this car for sale. I checked Seattle area, Offer Up Marketplace. Didn't see anything like this for sale. I even checked eBay Motors. I didn't find the Mazdaspeed Protege for sale. So I don't know. I never really seen one or remember seeing one. I paid $7,500 for this, $7,500. I think I got a good deal. If you guys know these cars and know what they're worth, let me know. Post in the comments, see if did I get a good deal or they're cheaper. I even checked printandtrailer.com, and there was only one for sale, and there was like a racing track edition, like all gutted interior, like nothing there. So I haven't seen these for sale actually. So I don't know. You tell me what they're worth.